Hi, I'm Dr. Linda Joy Rose of Raw Fusion Living for ehow.com, making a spinach and pineapple salad. This salad is going to be filled with a lot of vitamin C because I'm adding some mango to it too, and we're going to have a little hint of spice in it because I'm going to use some powdered Dijon mustard. So let's get started. We're going to start out with some extra virgin olive oil and some garlic. Who doesn't love garlic? I'm going to add some pineapple. Pineapple is loaded with vitamin C, and it also has the enzyme bromelain. And here is some mango. This is the powdered mustard. And let's get some salt in here, give a little flavor. And finally, I'm going to add some water just to have it all blend up nicely. About a half a cup, maybe a little less. We'll start with a little less and see how it blends up. Okay. And this you can make in any blender. All right, now I have a bowl here that's filled with some beautiful baby spinach leaves, and I have some red peppers, some tomatoes, and some mushrooms. So I'm just going to pour the salad dressing over there. Let's toss it up a little. And I don't think I can resist taking a little piece here. That is so good. I'm Dr. Linda Joy Rose. This is Spinach and Pineapple Salad for ehow.com.